Yeah.
I'm going to be rich, like filthy rich, private jet rich.
Wow. What's up?
I just found this software. It says it knows when a stock is going to go up, and it will notify me a day or two in advance.
Oh, don't believe it.
Why not?
It must be a lie, because all the data analysis, all the technical analysis, and artificial intelligence is based on what happened in the past and try to predict the future. So there is always an unknown factor, and predictions are never perfect. So if you know what is in the future, of course you will be rich. But the fact is, how many rich people are there? You can count on one hand. Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, Larry Ellison, etc. They don't build their fortune on knowing what is ahead. They build their fortune on running a good business.
Right.
So when somebody approach you with something, a get-rich scheme, and saying that I can predict the future, that if a stock is going to run up, something like that, don't trust it. It's a lie.
No. Okay, down. Okay, I just have a quick question to compare AI or machine to human analysts. Like, which one do you think it would be more?
Well, there is no easy answer to that. There's no easy solution. Okay, all the machine, artificial intelligence, they based on their analysis and they search out for patterns. Okay, say like this, like Golden Cross and Death Cross, etc. It's based on what happened in the past. They analyze the data and they try to crunch it. And but the fact is, many things in the business world does not happen according to mathematical formulas. Because human behavior is not predictable. Steve Jobs, okay, when he invented the iPhone, and he said, apps is nothing. Nobody will use apps, and how wrong he was. You know, he was completely wrong. So there's so even the best minds in the world make mistakes. Okay, like Bill Gates, Microsoft built a software empire. Okay, the biggest software company in the world. Actually, what Microsoft used actually was based on what Xerox did more than 10 years ago in Silicon Valley in Palo Alto, and Xerox developed all these, and the problem is that their mindset was based on what was the business world perceived, so that they never use it, they junk it, and then Microsoft
stole it.
They decided Microsoft seized on the idea and they developed into a multi-billion company. Take an older example, IBM. So the computer was invented by Sperry Univac during the Second World War. Okay, at that time only the government used it. Okay, the government, the Defense Department, I think the weather and things like that, and the experts at that time said the United States only needed 4 computers in the whole country. But James Watson Sr., the head of IBM at that time, he saw that you can use the computer to solve a lot of the accounting problems. So that he used it for business applications. And then IBM became the most valuable and most successful company for something like 30 years before 1980, when the next generation, like Bill Gates and Steve Jobs, came along. So all this cannot be predicted. So don't depend on artificial intelligence or machine learning.
Right.
Not even for. I think you can rely on maybe 10% of the time. Because most success stories in the business world is not based on logical thinking. It's based on intuition. Somebody has the intuition to do something that people want. And this is not something that you can calculate and you can document.
Scott's idea.